what's going on, guys? We are here for 5 from the grinder. That gives us 5 minutes to tell you what's going on in the shortest amount of time. We're going to start on this end because I'm right here. Right.
That's it.
All right, so one of the things I'm working on today is getting stuff. We have some leftover knives from Blade, getting them finished up, getting them moved down.
Very cool stuff that we just didn't have time to get done.
Yeah, GNS.
Very cool.
We got some burlap on that, got some snake skin liners, digging it, and a whole bag. Now these are all GNSs. Coyote with red G10. These are going to be awesome. Check this out. Mike, that's what, tan?
Coyote with red G10 liners.
Oh, Coyote with red G10. So it's reverse. So definitely got some really cool stuff coming through the shop. Again, some leftover things from Blade.
Yep.
Great, buddy. I'm glad you're doing that.
There's Sam.
Okay.
And Scott's with us this week.
Say hi, Sam.
This is Sam. Say hi, Sam.
See, he wouldn't do that to us, but we just all agree to be here. So there you go. What do you got? What do you got? Ooh, what's that?
This does not look fancy at all. However,
It looks very interesting.
I cut that amount on a little machine over there we're working with, and then they would probably go on something like that.
Aha!
This little something we're working on, so I can show you there. I apologize last week, I didn't want to be here. I had stuff to do. This week I feel better. I had all my pills, and all my medicine.
He's let the secret out, Nick. Go kill him.
That's okay. It's
Ready
alright.
to go.
You don't mind. So,
And
for
then
me...
sorry.
Go ahead. No. Go ahead. We got time.
Go ahead.
Go ahead, Nick.
So
Okay.
go ahead, Nick.
So check this out. Mike, who's this for?
Rawhide Adventures.
Isn't that cool? Look at that desert ironwood with that profile. Very nice. They're calling this the Gaucho.
Those things are gorgeous.
Yes, they are
Can't
very
wait to
cool.
get them finished up and shipped.
Rawhide Adventure, wait a minute. BMW Motorcycle Adventure Riding School.
Right.
Yeah, there are thin red liners in there too, so that's very cool.
Okay, try that up.
All right, who's next?
Did you have something you wanted to get back out?
Nope.
Okay.
So, as you can see, Mike was going to show something that he is just not allowed to show
Michael's band
So-
is speaking for the duration of
we
the video.
we had to take some drastic measures. So we will not be hearing from Mike this episode, but he is here, and we're very grateful for that.
If you have secrets and you want to put them on film, Mike's your guy.
Yeah.
Apparently, so.
No,
we can do that.
No.
So anyway,
You're censored there too.
hey, one of the cool things that we did this week was release the Vault Series 6. If you were in the Pout House, you know what we're talking about.
Yes.
Limited number, short run knives, and they are all sold out.
I know.
Okay, so that was very cool.
Yes,
So if
Nick.
you're not a Pout House member,
You should join. You should become
This
a
is
member
where
of
I
Pot House.
promote the Powerhouse. So I was
Promote
going to
it.
say something else. Go to the website. Find the link that says, what's it say? Join the Powerhouse, the Powerhouse members, and what's it say on the website?
What?
Or how to join the Pot House.
You just
If
go
you're
to
going
the
to join the
Powerhouse.
Just go to the website. You'll find the link.
Yeah,
The
the
website.
navigation.
Yes.
Very
Okay.
easy.
It's $20 a year, lots of perks, and you get to hear from us. Why are you touching me? Stop touching
Too
me.
much togetherness in this episode.
keep that in mind. Now, as you can see, our 5 minutes from the grinder Fridays are
Yes.
a lot of fun. You can untape them. We do have a. Oh, there's more hair on that than there is on his head. Yeah, so we have a lot of fun. Thanks for being here. Thanks for supporting us, and we love working with you.
Yes.
See you guys next time around, right?
All right.
Have a great weekend.
And yeah, cut some grass.
You just want the last word.
No, you do.
And
Good
cut.
to see you. Bye-bye.